So let's decorate this journal. So in this case, filling it up with some journaling cards and other things. Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkJournals. I showed you how I created this journal, not the cover to be honest. The cover I created off camera, but I showed you the whole creating process of the inside, so the signatures and how I decorated them and so on. Now, I put on some danglies off camera. This is from a broken or not longer real necklace. So these are wooden beads. On this, I think it's something like a cotton string. Maybe it's not really cotton, maybe it's another string, I don't know. So, because I got it as a present. So you can put these things out of your way. And this shadow is because of all the cards, journaling cards. So like this, the journaling cards I prepared, and I want to use some of these. Okay, so you put these out of your way, and these can get untangled or unraveled. Not untangled, untangled, hopefully unraveled from time to time. So when you use it, so I'm just telling you. So let's see what we have. We have a pocket over here. So I need something like a smaller card. I'm just searching through my stash. Oh, this is a cool one. Yes, this I will put into here. So this is a trifold with a pocket. So we need something for this pocket over here. I'm just searching for a few of my smaller cards. Okay, so this is just for writing. This is a pocket, this is a long one, so maybe we can use some of these kind of bookmark things again. Oh yes, this is perfect, in my opinion. So let's move on. These are some pockets you can load from here. So I created these journaling cards with you on camera. Maybe I can put some of these into here. No, they are too big. Let's see, what else do we have? No, not this one. Maybe something like this one. Oh, this I created on camera too. Oh, let's see. We can slide this into here. Okay, yes. That's it. So let's see, what else do we have. Oh, I have this one. I think it's a bit too wide. Yes, it is too wide. I need something more taller. I don't know if I have so many taller cards. Maybe this one. I think it's too wide. No, these are too wide. These are from leftover glue papers. Maybe this one. Oh yes, this fits. Okay, then let's move on. This is a pocket. Here I could put in one of these papers for you to play with. Just folding it a bit. Okay, this is just glued down. This is a side-loading pocket, so maybe we can put in a card like this into here. Yes, this fits. Glued down, glued down. I think that's it for the first signature. So moving on to the second signature. Same thing again, a longer, taller card. Maybe this one. Did I show you the back? This is the back side. Okay. A longer, taller card for here. Oh, for example, this Do It. This is from a paper pad, and I sort around and put on this. I glued something on the back, and I stapled on this tab and so on. So then we have two pockets here. Maybe I will put in one of these papers from Stamperia. These are really, really beautiful for you to play with. And another, oh, this card is cool. Maybe we can use this somewhere. I need a more taller card. So let's see what we have. Oh, I have something like this from a paper pad. I think it's too wide. Maybe this fits here. No, it's too wide. Have something like this. So why not using something like this again? If this will fall out, I will just stuff in more things, or I will put on a little paper clip. I will decide later. This is a pocket. Here I could put in this card. This is a side-loading pocket again. Maybe this card fits into here. Let's see. Yes, fits really well. And third signature. So here I want to put in one of these papers. These are really thin. You can play around with it. I think it's white. Okay, so I will just fold it over again. So let's move on. We have a pocket here again. So again, some of these longer tags. Maybe I have some over here, but I think these are too wide. Oh, I have this one. It does not have a tab or anything. So we don't put it, or even if you put it in right to the bottom, which we don't need to, let's stick this out a bit. This is fine. This is a fold out. And these are some pockets. I want to put in one of these papers again, just to give you something to play with. And maybe to not bulk up the journal too much. Oh, it does not fit. Okay, it fits into here. So we need a really small or narrow card for here. I'm just searching through these things, but I think they are too wide. I have something like this with this gold, I don't know how you call it, gold things onto it. Okay, this could go into here, or this would be better for here, I think. Maybe upside down because of this tab. So we need something for here. Best day ever. Maybe this. Why not? Okay. Once again, one of these side-loading pockets. I will put in this, maybe. Let's see if it fits. I think that's it. Oh, and the side-loading pocket over here. Maybe I will just put in some papers, because then you have something to play with, and because of the bulking up the journal. So one paper like this, one paper like this, and one of these Stamperia papers. Okay, that's it. So now for the final flip through. So this is the outside of the journal with this really big button and a hidden spine or hidden binding. This is the back. This is how it looks from the top and from the side. Really beautiful with these ribbed edges, and it has 3 signatures. These are the danglies. This is a not longer used necklace. So these are wooden, not buttons, but wooden beads. And this is something like maybe it's a cotton string, I don't know. Maybe it's polyester or something, I don't know. This will unravel by time, I think so. Of course, you could put on a piece or a bit of glue, or maybe just a little bead at the end and then tie a knot. But for me it's fine, and if this unravels because of usage or because it's older someday, I think it adds to the journal, so I will leave it be as it is. You can put all these danglies out of your way while journaling. So let's see, and the journal has this metal edges on the front and the back, so metal corner protectors. So let's flip through. You have this lace over here, a pocket here with a self-made journaling card. This is a trifold. You can journal in or use its backgrounds with a self-made journaling card into here. This is tea-dyed and coffee-dyed paper. This is from a paper pad. This is a digital printable I bought. This is a collage. This is from a paper pad again, and a book page. Some stenciling, some collaging. A pocket over here with this self-made journaling card. Some more writing spaces. This is thinner paper. I bought it in this color. This is part of a coloring book page with this lined back. This is just glued on. Oh, let's see, it's not glued on right to the edge. So let's just fix this. Don't know why this happened. But I think even if it gets loose a bit, it's a junk journal, and I think it really adds to the journal. So, but I think now it will stay in place. Okay, here I used some fancy scissors to decorate the edges. So this scissors here with this shape. Book page, collage page. This is a pocket with 2 self-made journaling cards. Oh, this is upside down. Hello, new day. This is a self-made journaling card out of a paper pad. Here you have a pocket and a piece of paper for you to play with, or tuck spot in this case. Book page, this is just glued on, coloring book page, and a bit of stamping. Ah, I forgot, I have a tuck spot over here. So let me just put in some of these papers again. So, okay. And this is a side-loading pocket with a self-made journaling card. You can write on, you can use as background or decorate further. So, first signature. Now the second signature. Really same things again. Self-made journaling card. Tea-dyed and coffee-dyed. Bit of stamping. This decorative pages, a pocket over here. You can put something onto here. You can write on it with a black pen, but you would not be able to see it really good, to be honest with you. But you can put on a piece of paper or a photo or a thing from your daily life, and then you can journal on this. Same for here. I did some sewing. This is acrylic paint. And again, some pockets. This is journaling cards, self-made journaling cards. Different kinds of. This is a piece of paper for you to play with, to use as a background, to write on, or anything like this. This you can use as a background as well. Here you have a pocket again with a little journaling card. Book page, a bit of scrapbooking paper. This paper I bought the way it is. Here we have a tuck spot again. I want to put in something into here, so let's see. Maybe again one of these papers. Just because you have some journaling cards and I don't want to bulk up the journal this much. Okay. This is a journaling card out of a paper pad. Side-loading pocket again, which you can use for writing or decorate further. Book page with a bit of, not collaging, but a bit of paper, a bit of stamping, and so on. And third and last signature. Again, one of these decorative papers for you to use. Pocket with a self-made journaling card. A fold out. Again, some pockets. It's the best day ever. And one of these papers. Another journaling card. This says happy. And the last tuck. So let's see. I think I want to use the Stamperia paper again. Not Stamperia, sorry. This is a stamp print. and another self-made journaling card. This is more for the good look because you cannot really write on it. Of course, you can cover this up, but maybe you like this, but this is just to look good. So why not doing something like this? Oh, I just see here my machine got a bit wild, went a bit wild. Okay, I will do something with this. I don't know what happened. I will use another card. Sorry for that. Let's just search. Oh, I have some really beautiful cards. I just thought maybe I could use this card. This is from a Reader's Digest book. This is the back. This is not so thick, so I want to use this. And it gives you another thing in this journal so that you don't have the same things over and over again. A bit of collage. This gives you writing spaces as well. And then I put in 3 of these decorative papers in the back pocket. So this journal does not have a closure. I will measure it out for you, but I forgot to count the pages. I will do this later. I can measure it out if I am able to find my ruler. Here it is. So this journal measures approximately, I would say 13 because of the spine, 13 by 19 centimeters, and the spine is 4.5 centimeters. And I will put all the information about this journal down below in the info box. So this journal will be available in my Etsy shop, linked down below in the info box as well. Hopefully you had fun watching this video, and maybe you're interested in the creating process, even if not of the cover, because I did this off camera, but the creating process of the insides. So watch the other videos. I will link down below in the info box as well. Maybe I will put on a closure later. I have not decided. Usually I like to have closures. I don't know. I just thought it would be cool to have one of those Tim Holtz hitch fasteners and then an elastic to go over here. Okay, I've not decided yet. This is really good when you try to make some advertisement for your own products. But I will find out later. Thanks for watching until now. Bye. Okay, now the journal is finished. I attached the closure. I like my journals more with the closure. So this is the Tim Holtz hitch fastener, and yes, this is a bit bulky and standing up, but the button is too, and when you open your journal, you can move the move the charms out of the way, and then you can journal on it. So this lays a bit on this big button, on this big Tim Holtz hitch fastener, but I think you can work in it really well. So Tim Holtz hitch fastener, eyelet, and this elastic hairband in pink. So this closes your journal, and it can even grow a bit more because this is elastic. So now the journal is finished for me. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and take a look through my Etsy shop if you're interested in the things I create and sell. And if you're interested in what I create, to see the creating process, then take a look through the info box and through my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.